So like today we'll be talking about loops in Rust. Like when you need to repeat a code in your program, you need loops. So so there are three kinds of loop and in Rust. The one is infinite loop, like which runs forever until you explicitly terminate it. Then the second there is the while loop, and the third there is the for loop. And today we'll be looking at that code. So jump on it. Yeah. So let's create a new project. Loops. Yeah, so we created. Now let's center it. I'll be putting the whole code in the uh, there's a description link. Like I'll be, yeah, that I'll do. So let's create let's go to source. Let's subl main.rs. Okay. So now I want to loop the things in I want to put this hello world in an infinite loop. So what I'll do is just a simple and that's it. I'll just go run. Okay, so that is, see, as you can see, that is put in an infinite loop, and then I'll just control C to interrupt it, and that's the infinite loop has stopped. Like, yeah, that's the way to end a infinite loop. So the next thing is what we'll be doing is using the while loop. So let's take a number. As you know, all variables in Rust, when declared without the mut keyword, are immutable. Like all variables are by default immutable, and that's it. Yeah. So like we have to create a mutable variable, so we specify it by using the keyword mut. We'll just use now while number not equal to 0, println hello world number is equal to, so like we are able to make changes to the number variable because we have mentioned the mut keyword at the starting in this line. So that's why, and like we'll be printing out this. So this will print out till hello world 0. Okay, okay, this needs to be in spaces, I guess. That's why the problem. Let's convert into spaces. Let's run. Oh, okay, we forgot a semicolon here too. Yeah, so let's try to run it. Yeah, so that while loop ran. So this was the while loop, the simple old while loop. And now we jump on to the next loop, that is the for loop. So we just will iterate over an array using the for loop. Like my array contains 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So my for loop will be okay. So now for number in a dot itr. ITR lets you iterate over, it generates an iterate which you can iterate over the array, like that's ITER, and we just print the number, and that's basically our for loop. This will print all the numbers. Okay, that printed all the numbers. And so that was it. Like, it was a very basic tutorial about loops in Rust, and we'll be seeing some more advanced tutorials ahead, so stay tuned. And also like, share and subscribe, and put any comments if you have any doubts. Alrighty, bye.